Hello guys, welcome to my video, and in this video we're going to be talking about how you can start your business and the three best way you can start your business online. So we are talking about the six-figure business, and the first way that you should be following is the SEO agency. Okay? Beside the SEO agency, you can give away the development service, the design service, and the paid search service like digital marketing on Google AdWords, Bing ads, Facebook ads, and the platform like this. Okay, so first of all, I have an example for this. These people are on the first page of Google in the for the keyword SEO agency. Okay, so these people are giving away the services of paid search, organic search, paid social media, web design, and development. Okay, so these guys are making good money using that. And as you can see on the navigation bar, it is development, SEO services, content marketing and SEO services, paid search, PPC services, and paid social media services. Okay, so you can do the same thing that they're doing, and you can rank your website online, and you can make good money online. Okay, so if you have the quality but you are not sure that what you should be doing, this is the first thing that you should do. And the second thing that I have preferred a lot to the people is the affiliate marketing. It is the easiest way to do this because you don't have to create your own content. You just put another people content, you just sell it online, and you get a good commission from that person. Okay. So for the affiliate marketing, I mostly refer the clickbank.com because I have made a good money from it, and it is really authentic place to do this. Okay, so but it is only for the United States people. So if you are from United States, clickbank is the best way for you. Okay, and the third thing that I have recommended a lot is the Udemy.com, which is a course selling platform, and the skillshare.com and the thinkific.com. So if you have the qualities and you can give away that qualities to other people, you can share that, and you can monetize your skills using the udemy.com, skillshare.com, and you can do that on YouTube as well because YouTube does allow to monetize your videos. Okay, but the udemy.com is one of the most authentic way that you can sell your courses online. Okay, I used it and I make a lot of money using that. And I recommend you, if you have the quality and if you have the arrangement to stream videos and record videos, then you should be definitely do the udemy.com. And if the investment on this business is really small, you have to spend around 50 to $60, and you have to spend a little bit of time, 1 hour 2 hour, to make out videos, and you can just get it on the udemy.com and make good sales. Udemy do marketing on behalf of you and get you more sales from it. Another platform is Skillshares. I like it very much, and I'm gonna be making a review video on it very soon. Okay, so these are the most effective three ways that you can start your six-figure business a month. Okay, so thank you for watching the video, and if you are interested in having skills and developing your skills, so you can join and enroll my course, which is on Udemy. You have the description, you have the link on the description below. You just click on it and get enrolled to that, and that's how you can develop your skills and start these one of these things and make good money and start your six-figure business. Thank you very much for watching the video, and I'm gonna see you on the next video. Thank you very much.